Hey guys! Today I'm making a dish that you can throw together in a couple of minutes, and it also costs only 56 cents per portion, so let's go! Alrighty, so to start off, we will need one large onion. Get out of here, Jean-Pierre! Where is he coming from? Anyway, then also we will need 2 cloves of garlic. Now, just quickly peel the onions and your garlic. As you can see here, my onions are not that big, so I will be using 2 of those. Then dice them onions and you're good to go. Good, now get a pot, fill it full with water and a bunch of salt. Make it as salty as an average League of Legends player. Then, before the water boils, heat another large pan or a pot on the stovetop. In it, add a bit of olive oil.
Little olive oil. Flash of olive oil. Thin amount of olive oil.
Get out of here! What is this? A pure family gathering? Where are all these chefs coming from? Jesus. Anyways, now go ahead and crush your cloves of garlic and sear them in a pan until fragrant. Then add in your diced onion and let it simmer until translucent and soft. Great stuff. Now you can add 2 tablespoons of your favorite pesto sauce. If you made it yourself, well,
congratulations.
You did a great job. Now cover the pot/pan with a lid and let it simmer a bit. Once the water in the other pot starts boiling, add in your pasta and boil it for as long as it says on the packaging. Now, once the pasta is al dente, or for those of you that don't know the fancy YouTube chef lingo, almost fully done with the middle still a bit undone, they're ready. Now that we've also let the sauce simmer a bit, we can add some fresh basil for a bit of that fresh basil taste, you know? Yeah, it makes sense. Of course it makes sense. A touch of authenticity, you know? I can pretend that I made the sauce myself to my friends. Great. You know, it's like a remix of a song. Anyway, enough about music. The basil will make it look better also. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, then once everything is done, you can add the pasta to the sauce with a bit of leftover starchy water if you want to make the sauce a bit thicker. Then just mix everything until it becomes sauce consistency. Now, grate a bunch of Parmesan cheese, mix again with the heat turned off, and that's basically it. You've made yourself super easy lunch, dinner, or breakfast, I'm not judging. Once I ate this entire brioche cake for dinner. But enough about me having a totally balanced diet. To plate the dish, just add that goodness to the plate that you use for eating with some Parmesan cheese on top and you're set. Just use any plate, that's it. This is the easiest and tastiest pesto pasta I've had. And did I mention that I've ate pesto pasta for the first time? Well, if I didn't, this was my first pesto pasta that I've ate in my life. And it only cost this much to make, which is insane for these inflationary times. And I know, how the hell I haven't tried pesto pasta before? Well, actually,